I want to welcome you to 30th Street Station and thank you for your interest in trains and in Amtrak. Our theme today is Trains Matter. National Train Day is a fantastic celebration of trains and all they do for the American people and the American economy.
Hey, how are you? Yes, good seeing you.
I've actually done all three cities. I've left Philadelphia, gone to New York, then attended a meeting in Washington, D.C., and back to Philadelphia before dinner time. Everyone knows that 30th Street Station is one of the best in the entire Amtrak system. Seeing so many people out, especially the kids, the wonder and the excitement that they exhibit, boys and girls, about trains is really wonderful.